Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you how to crochet this flower coaster. So to make this I have used 3 different color of this cotton thread, and for this thread I have used crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. Here I have used single crochet stitches, half double crochet stitches and double crochet stitches to make this flower. So before we start to make this flower coaster, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to make this. So take your first color thread, and with this thread we are going to make a ring. Here I am going to use a magic ring. I will give you a link above on how to make a magic ring. So once you have a ring, make chain 1. After chain 1, make 1 double crochet into that ring. So 1 double crochet, then make chain 1, then make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and chain 1. So like this you have to make total 12 double crochet stitches. So we made 1 2 3 double crochets with chain 1 gap, so 9 more double crochet stitches with chain 1 gap. At the end you will have 12 double crochet stitches and 12 chain 1 space. So 12 double crochet stitches and 12 chain 1 gap. At the end make chain 1, and if you're working in magic ring, just pull this loose end of the ring. So we close this ring. Now in top of very first double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch to complete round 1. So round 1 is done with 12 double crochet stitches and 12 chain 1 space. Now in round number 2 we are going to work in this chain 1 space. So take your hook in chain 1 space and make a slip stitch, then make chain 3. This chain 3 is going to be count as our first double crochet stitch. Then in same space make 1 double crochet, so 2 double crochet stitches, then make chain 1. After chain 1 skip next double crochet, and in next chain 1 space make 2 double crochets, so 2 double crochets. Now make chain 1, and in round number 2 we are going to repeat this stitches, skip next double crochet, and in next chain 1 space make 2 double crochets, then chain 1, then skip next double crochet and work in next chain 1 space. So like this you have to complete round number 2. So at the end of round number 2 you will have 24 double crochet stitches and 12 chain 1 space. At the end make chain 1 and top of starting chain 3, 1 2 1 2 3, top of chain 3 make a slip stitch, so round number 2 is done. Now in round number 3 again we are going to work in this chain 1 space. So top of next stitch make a slip stitch and take your hook in this chain 1 space and make a slip stitch. So we are going to start our round number 3 from this chain 1 space. Make chain 3. This chain 3 is going to be our first double crochet stitches. Then in same chain 1 space make 2 double crochets, so total 3 double crochets. Now make chain 1. After chain 1 we are going to skip this next 2 double crochets and work in chain 1 space, and in this chain 1 space we are going to make 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet stitches, then make chain 1, skip next 2 double crochets and work in chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet. So like this we are going to repeat this stitches in round number 3. Make chain 1, skip next 2 double crochets, work in chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet, then make chain 1, skip next 2 double crochets and work in chain 1 space. Like this repeat these stitches and complete round number 3. So at the end of round number 3 you will have total 36 double crochet stitches and 12 chain 1 space. When you come to your last stitch make chain 1, again in this starting chain 3 top of that chain 3, make a slip stitch. So round number 3 is done. Now in round number 4, again we are going to work in chain 1 space. So top of next 2 stitches, make 1 slip stitch. Then in chain 1 space, take your hook and make 1 slip stitch. Now we are going to start round number 4. So make chain 3. This is going to be our first double crochet stitch. Then in same chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet stitches. So total 4 double crochets. Now make chain 1, skip next 3 double crochet stitches and walk in this chain 1 space and make 4 double crochet stitches. Make chain 1. So in round number 4 we are going to repeat this stitches, skip next 3 double crochets, work in this chain 1 space, make 4 double crochets, then make chain 1, skip next 3 double crochets, work in chain 1 space and make 4 double crochet. So like this, repeat this stitches and work till your last chain 1 space. So at the end of round number 4 you will have total 48 double crochet stitches and 12 chain 1 space. So at the end, make chain 1 and top of chain 3, make a slip stitch to complete round number 4. So round number 4 is done. Now in round number 5, first make chain 2. This chain 2 is going to be count as our first half double crochet. Then in top of next stitch make 2 double crochets. Then in top of next stitch make 2 double crochets. Then top of next stitch make 1 half double crochet. Then in this chain 1 space make 1 single crochet. So we made 1 half double crochets, then 2 double crochets, 2 double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Now in top of next stitch make 1 half double crochet. Then in next 1 and 2 stitches make 2 double crochets. Then in next stitch make 1 half double crochet, then in chain 1 space make 1 single crochet. So like this we are going to repeat these stitches. In next stitch make 1 half double crochet, then in next 1 and 2 stitch make 2 double crochets, then in next stitch make 1 half double crochet, and this chain 1 space make 1 single crochet. Like this complete round number 5. So once you complete round number 5 and come to very starting, so in this chain 1 space make a single crochet and keep this 2 loop in your hook. Now here we are going to change the color, so we are going to attach our second color here. So take the second colored thread, now hold this thread like this, now grab and pull through this 2 loop. Now pull first color thread, so by that the second color thread will come in your hook and we are going to work with our second color. So cut the first color thread. Now in round number 6 first make chain 6, so after chain 6 now work on this single crochet stitches which we made in chain 1 space. So take your hook from the back side, so this is the front side and this is the back side. So take your hook in this single crochet stitch from back to front. Now take your hook from front to back like this and make 1 single crochet. So like this chain 6 will come the back side, then again make chain 6, after chain 6 again we are going to skip all these stitches and going to work on this single crochet stitch from back side. So take your hook from back to front like this, then take your hook from front to back like this. So this single crochet will come this hook. Now grab the thread and pull through that stitch and make 1 single crochet. So like this we made this chain 6 loop. Now we are going to repeat these stitches and work around until you come to the starting point. So make chain 6, after chain 6 skip all these stitches and work in single crochet stitch from back to front. Make 1 single crochet, then chain 6, skip all these stitches and in this single crochet stitch take your hook from front to back and again take this hook the back side, this make 1 single crochet. So like this, work in remaining stitches and complete round number 6. So round number 6 is done, and at the back side this will looks like this. Now in round number 7 we are going to work in this chain 6 loop. Now take your hook in this chain 6 loop and make 1 single crochet, then make 1 half double crochet, then make 8 double crochet stitches, so 8 double crochet stitches, then make 1 half double crochet, then make 1 single crochet, then top of single crochet from the previous round, make 1 single crochet, so this part will come on top of this part like this. Now again we are going to repeat this stitches in chain 6 loop, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, then 8 double crochets, after 8 double crochets 1 half double crochet, then 1 single crochet, then top of single crochet from our previous round 1 single crochet. So like this, repeat this stitches, work in chain 6 loop, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 8 double crochets, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet, then single crochet from the previous round, top of that make 1 single crochet and repeat and work in remaining chain 6 loop to complete. So I worked in all chain 6 loop. So when you meet your last single crochet and again in top of single crochet from the previous round, make 1 single crochet. Here keep this 2 loop in your hook, and now we are going to attach our third color. So take the third colored thread, hold this thread like this. Now grab the thread and pull through this 2 loop. Now pull second colored thread and cut with some margin. Now we are going to work with third color in our round number 8. Now make chain 6, going to just tie these 2 ends. After chain 6, skip all these stitches and top of single crochet stitch from the previous round. Now take the hook from back to front like this. Now take this hook from front to back by taking that single crochet. Then now make one single crochet here. Now grab the thread and pull through that stitch and make one single crochet. Again make chain 6. After chain 6, again skip all these stitches and work on that single crochet stitch. Now take the hook from back to front like this. Now take this hook from front to back by taking that single crochet this and grab and pull the thread and make one single crochet. So like this chain 6 will come at the back side again. So like this make chain 6 stitches at the back side and complete this round. So round number 8 is done, and at the back side this will looks like this. Now in round number 9, and this is our last round, we are going to work in this chain 6 loop from the previous round. So in that chain 6 space make one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, then make 8 triple crochet stitches. So to make the triple crochet stitch, grab the thread twice. Now take your hook in that space, so you will have 4 loop. Now grab the thread and pull through first 2 loop, then next 2, and then next 2. So this is going to be your first triple crochet. So like this 7 more, so total 8 triple crochet stitches. So 8 triple crochets, then make one double crochet, then one half double crochet, then one single crochet, then in single crochet from the previous round make one slip stitch, so in like this the second petal will come in top of that, so you get this structure, so you get this pattern. Now again in this chain 6 loop make one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, then 8 triple crochet stitches, So after 8 triple crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, then in single crochet from the previous round make a slip stitch. So like this, in this round you are going to repeat these stitches, work in each chain 6 space, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet and 8 triple crochet stitches, then 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet and single crochet from the previous round. Top of that make 1 slip stitch and repeat these stitches and complete this round. So this is done. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in my comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.